मुंबय ताज्यान जाल्ल्या आकांतवादी हल्ल्या उपरांत देशांतल्या दर्यादेग सुरक्षा वाडोवपाक भारतीय नौदलान म्हत्वाची पावलां उबारल्यात. ह्यान फुडें अश्यो मोहीम हातांत घेतले अशें आयतारा वास्को 45वो गोवा नौदल दीस साजरो करतना गोंय नौदलाचे ध्वजाधिकारी पुनीत कुमार बेहल हांणी सांगलां. ह्या वेळार राज्यपाल मृदुला सिन्हा हाजीर आशिल्ल्यो. RDX खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
The fifth largest maritime force in the world, the Indian Navy. Networked, multi-dimensional, and geared up for action. The Indian Navy, a professional force anchoring stability, security, and national prosperity.
Considerable resources, man-hours, and efforts on part of the Navy. Further, the expansion of the runway for long-range maritime patrol operations at considerable cost to the Navy has also been a boon for Goa. Today, Dabolim is one amongst a few non-metro airports that receive Category E aircraft, such as the Boeing 747 Jumbo. Apart from meeting national strategic and tactical requirements, the airport has ensured a steep rise in the inflow of tourist traffic and chartered flights. Approximately 65 passenger flights operate per day from Dabolim. This has indeed provided a huge fillip to the economy of Goa. As the economy and tourist industry of Goa grows further, another major fillip has been provided to it through the laying of the foundation stone of the Mopa Airport last month by our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi.